High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, which is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Managing your cholesterol levels through diet is a crucial aspect of maintaining heart health. Here, we'll delve deeper into the foods you should avoid if you have high cholesterol and why they can be detrimental to your health. 1. Trans fats. Trans fats are artificially created fats through a process called hydrogenation. They are commonly found in many processed and fast foods. Trans fats not only raise LDL, bad, cholesterol levels but also lower HDL, good, cholesterol levels. These harmful fats can increase your risk of atherosclerosis, a condition where plaque builds up in your arteries, narrowing them and restricting blood flow. To protect your heart, steer clear of fried fast food, packaged snacks, and products containing partially hydrogenated oils, which is where trans fats lurk. 2. Saturated fats. While saturated fats are not entirely off limits, they should be consumed in moderation if you have high cholesterol. These fats can elevate LDL cholesterol levels. Sources of saturated fats include red meat, full-fat dairy products like whole milk and butter, as well as tropical oils like coconut and palm oil. Choosing lean cuts of meat and opting for low-fat or fat-free dairy products can help reduce your saturated fat intake. 3. High-fat dairy products. Full-fat dairy products are rich in saturated fats, which can lead to the accumulation of cholesterol in your blood vessels. To lower your cholesterol levels, switch to low-fat or fat-free dairy options such as skim milk, low-fat yogurt, and reduced-fat cheese. 4. Fried foods. Fried foods are often prepared using unhealthy oils that are high in trans fats and saturated fats. Regular consumption of fried foods can contribute to weight gain, clogged arteries, and an increased risk of heart disease. Instead of frying, consider healthier cooking methods such as baking, broiling, or grilling. 5. Processed meats. Processed meats like sausages, hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats are not only high in saturated fats but also contain sodium and preservatives. These meats have been linked to an elevated risk of heart disease, making it wise to limit your intake or choose leaner protein sources like poultry, fish, or legumes. 6. Fast food. Fast food is notorious for its high content of unhealthy fats, including trans fats and saturated fats. It's also often loaded with excess salt and sugar. Frequenting fast food restaurants can sabotage your efforts to manage cholesterol levels and maintain a healthy heart. 7. Egg yolks. Eggs are a nutritious food, but the yolks are high in dietary cholesterol. While dietary cholesterol may not have as significant an impact on blood cholesterol levels as once thought. If you have high cholesterol, it's advisable to monitor your egg consumption. You can enjoy egg whites as an alternative or use cholesterol-lowering spreads. 8. High sugar foods. Excessive sugar intake can contribute to weight gain, obesity, and an increased risk of heart disease. Additionally, a diet high in sugar may raise triglyceride levels, which can worsen your cholesterol profile. Reduce your consumption of sugary beverages, sweets, and desserts to protect your heart. 9. Refined carbohydrates. Foods made from refined grains, such as white bread, white rice, and sugary cereals, can lead to weight gain and negatively impact cholesterol levels. These processed grains lack the fiber and nutrients found in whole grains, which can help lower cholesterol. Opt for whole grains like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and oats to promote heart health. 10. Alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption may have some heart benefits, excessive drinking can lead to high triglyceride levels and other health issues. It's important to limit your alcohol intake to the recommended guidelines, which vary by gender and age. 11. High sodium foods. A high sodium diet can contribute to high blood pressure, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Processed and restaurant foods are often loaded with salt, so it's essential to reduce your sodium intake. Reading food labels and choosing low-sodium alternatives can help you manage your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. In conclusion, if you have high cholesterol, it's crucial to be mindful of your dietary choices. Avoiding or limiting foods high in trans fats, saturated fats, and excessive sugar can significantly benefit your heart health. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to create a personalized dietary plan tailored to your specific cholesterol levels and overall health. Additionally, Adopting a lifestyle that includes regular exercise can complement dietary changes in effectively managing high cholesterol levels and promoting cardiovascular well-being.